Bayside Marketplace is a vibrant and popular open-air shopping center. Located in downtown Miami, Florida. Known for its lively atmosphere and scenic waterfront views. It offers a unique blend of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Visitors can explore a diverse range of stores, from well-known retail brands to unique local boutiques. Making it an ideal destination for both tourists and locals. The marketplace also boasts a variety of restaurants and food stalls, serving everything from fresh seafood to international cuisine. In addition to shopping and dining, Bayside Marketplace hosts live music performances and events, creating a festive environment. Its prime location along Biscayne Bay provides opportunities for boat tour and other water-based activities, enhancing its appeal as a must-visit spot in Miami.
go. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law. I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world. Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world.
The prominent attractions include Skyviews Miami, a Ferris wheel, towering over 200 feet above Bayside Marketplace, offers unparalleled views of Biscayne Bay, Bayfront Park, and the iconic downtown Miami skyline. There are Thriller Miami speedboats, 305 Miami tour buses, and famous Big Bus Tour Miami operating from here. There are many other cruises and yacht tour available that take you for wonderful adventures around Star Islands and Greater Miami area. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button